Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to make some rhinestone covered shoes that I bought from Walmart. They were only $12.98, and so these are the items that I'm going to be using: B7000 glue, and I bought a few different type of rhinestones. I have some hot fix rhinestones. I don't know if I'm going to use them, and a pack of rhinestones that I bought from Amazon. I will be linking all of this stuff down in the description box below. Okay, so I'm just cutting off the tags of these shoes, and just make sure that your child can actually fit the shoes before you cut the tags and put all the decorations on. I almost messed up, but I did try them on her. So the first thing I'm doing is just taking the shoestrings out of the shoes, and then I'm going to start gluing on the rhinestones. The color of these rhinestones were really cute, and they do have different color options on the link below in the description box. So I'm just opening up the package, and I'm going to place some of the beads inside this container. This was to help me out, but I think it was hurting more than anything. The package came with some tools to help you place the rhinestones on, but I didn't really use them. I ended up using my nail rhinestone tool, and I'll have that linked in the description box below as well. So I started by trying to put the glue onto the rhinestone and then put the rhinestone on the shoe, and that was not working out like how I wanted it to. So then I started putting the glue on the shoe and then putting the rhinestone on top of the glue. So just whatever way works best for you, you can do it that way. So putting the glue on the shoe each time, and I'm just randomly placing the rhinestones on the shoe. At first I tried to like make a pattern or something to have it in a specific spot. It's not gonna work like that. You just have to find the different sizes of rhinestones and then place them wherever they fit. And that was the method that I used. There was no like organization to this. I was just trying to make sure that the same colors weren't beside each other and that I kind of mixed it up with the sizes. And that is one thing that I really love about this packet of rhinestones. It has so many different sizes and different colors in it that you can use the tiniest piece of rhinestone just to fill in some small spaces. The glue that I'm using is perfect for this project because one, it has a precision tip and I can just place the glue exactly where I need it for that particular rhinestone. And it allows me to move around the rhinestone. Like if I want to move it to another position on the shoe, it gives me, some time to move it around. And it goes on clear, it dries clear, and it doesn't yellow over time. So if you're going to do this project, I really highly suggest getting this B7000 glue. I also just wanted to mention that I only used that one small packet of beads for both shoes, and I still had some left over that could probably complete another pair of shoes. So the process is very repetitive. It took me a few hours to do this, so I'm not exactly going to show the whole process or whatever. It's just the same thing: glue, bead, glue, bead. Hi guys, I want to hop on real quick and let you know about a new website where you can make some extra money if you're a crafter, or you can get help with your craft orders with freelance crafters on yenacraft.com. So this is how it works. You sign up as a business if you have a business, and then you can post your orders on the website for a freelancer to complete for you and ship to your customer. As a freelancer, you can sign up, make those orders, ship them to those customers, and then you make money and you can cash out daily or weekly. Go check it out at www.yenacraft.com. It's also in Google Play Store or in Apple Store. But after I got all my beads on, I then got some ribbon from Walmart. You can get it from any craft store, Walmart, wherever. I think this is 5/8 in size, yeah, and it's 18 feet. You don't need that much, but this is what I purchased from Walmart. It's like $1, and so I cut this at 48 inches, and this is longer than the shoestring that was originally in the shoe, but I used a crochet hook to help me string the ribbon in the shoes. When lacing up your shoes, you want to make sure that the ribbon is shiny side up. There is a dull side to the ribbon, so you want to kind of fold it to make sure that the shiny side stays up as you're lacing up the shoes. I just want to make another comment on how well this glue is holding up on these shoes currently. Like my daughter plays outside at school, jumps around and everything, and not one single bead has came off of the shoe yet. And the glue has not yellowed or anything. So this glue is really, really good. Oh yeah, also the drying time is 3 minutes on the glue, but the curing time is 2 to 3 days. So I did not let her wear these shoes until about 3 days after I made them. So that is all, guys. They turned out perfect. I did use some other rhinestones on the front part of the shoe and the back part, the heel, a little, and so those will be linked in the description box below as well. If you don't want to make these yourself, you can purchase them in my Etsy shop that will be in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.